Welcome back to 3.3 Inequalities in a Triangle. So we're going to start with the theorem. If two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle lies opposite the longer side. So in other words, the bigger, so we'll start with the bigger the side, the bigger the angle. So here if AB is bigger than CB, then angle C is bigger than angle A. So we're going to order the angles in each triangle from smallest to largest. So the smallest side makes the smallest angle. Smallest side is 14, so the smallest angle is the opposite one of that, which is angle R. Then next is 17, so angle S. Then finally 25, angle T. So it goes angle R, angle S, angle T. The converse of that theorem is that the larger the angle, then the larger the side. So here if angle C is bigger than angle A, then AB is bigger than CB. So we're going to order the sides of each triangle from shortest to longest. Well, the smallest angle is 35 degrees, so the shortest side is FG. Then 60, which is FH, and then finally 85, which makes HG. Okay. This also works in two triangles. We call it the hinge theorem. If two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle, and the included angles are not congruent, then the longer third side is opposite the larger angle. So what this looks like. We have AB congruent to FG, AC is congruent to FH, so we have our congruent sides. Angle A is bigger than angle F, therefore BC is bigger than GH. The triangle inequality theorem states that if two sides of a triangle when added together must be larger than the third side. A plus B is bigger than C, A plus C is bigger than B, B plus C is greater than A. So we test all three of those to see if it does form a triangle. If they are all three bigger, then it's a yes. So our example of this, can 4, 7, and 9 form a triangle? Well, 4 plus 7 is bigger than 9. 7 plus 9 is bigger than 4. 4 plus 9 is bigger than 7. So the answer is in fact yes. Okay, our next example of this, 1, 6, and 3. Well, 1 plus 6 is bigger than 3. 6 plus 3 is bigger than 1, but 1 plus 3 is not bigger than 6, so this is no. Our final example of this type is 5, 6, and 11. Well, 5 plus 6 equals 11, so this is no, because it's not greater than, it's equal to. Finally, to find the range of values, what you do is you subtract the two values to find the lowest range, and you add the two values to find the higher range. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and then 4 plus 9 is 13. So our range is from 5 to 13. C is bigger than 5 or less than 13. Our second example of this, we subtract 6.25 minus 1.5, and then we add them together, and we get 4.75 to 7.75. That's everything for inequalities in a triangle. Good luck on the practice.